How does traumas affect the current person in you? First, these memories becomes internalized, leading to a negative self-concept. Self-concept is a mental image or knowledge that a person holds about him or herself. Second, these traumas can lead to a lasting feeling that one is inferior to others. You feel that you are not worthy before the others. You are so inferior. That it can lead to self-blame. A person may feel that he or she is the cause of what happened in the past. For example, a child may feel that he or she is the cause of the parents divorcing, especially in cases whereby the parents start arguing about who is the father of this child belongs to who, and at the end divorce or separation comes. So huyo mtoto anaweza grow akifeel that he or she is the cause of the parents separating or divorcing. The fourth thing is that traumas can lead to shame, lack of confidence, and even introverted life, leading to loneliness and separation. Hizi vitu zinaweza kosa kutokea wakati mtoto ni mdogo, lakini ukigrow at this stage of being uko kwa youth, uko stage ya adolescence, unaanza kufeel hautaki kukaa mahali kuna watu, unataka kukaa peke yako, ama unaanza kuwa una ile confidence ya kusimama mbele ya watu, kuongea something in front of the people. Things like that can occur, and this may be as a result of an experience that one underwent during childhood. The other point is that traumas may lead to avoidance behavior. Avoidance behavior ni ile una avoid everything. Hutaki kuonana na watu, hautaki kupewa any responsibility. Unapata hata sometimes una watch movie but you feel it's like unapigiwa makelele, you just want to be inside. Unataka kuwa you are away, you are far from anything, including noise, all those things, due to fear of repeating the same mistake. This may lead one to avoid new opportunities. Pia kazi, unafikiria ukipewa hiyo kazi utarudia the same mistake that happened. For example, kama ulikuwa unafanya kazi mahali na ukakuwa raped or sexually assaulted, hata ukipata kazi ingine una feel that you don't have that confidence to receive that opportunity because you feel unaweza enda hapo and the same thing happens to you. Mysterious loss of job due to a mistake that occurred. This can be caused by some mistakes that happened during childhood stage and one was being punished harshly.